Okay, it is midnight. And these guys have been running hard. Mama's basically losing her mind. I think she's kind of throwing her hands up at this point. This is actually what it was when I was trying to take a nap before. Exactly like this. Mama's in the same spot, and all of these guys were just going insane. Yeah. I don't know what's in the breast milk or the cat food, but it must be some form of amphetamine. So, judging from their behavior, I'm probably not gonna get. Look at that. It's like Indiana Jones type stuff. They're getting way too good at the climbing and everything. I had to move the dining room chairs out because they figured out a way to jump off the shelving, grab onto it with their front paws, and literally just pull themselves up just from their hands. So all those chairs were moved into the bedroom, and I'm going to have to put them in storage because it won't stand a chance at this point. Let's see what the other guys are up to. Oh. Wow, look. Flip-flops. That seems interesting. Will we get them to drink from the fountain? A little bit. Progress.